Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard boiled eggs in an egg cooker. Begin by measuring water to the cooker mark for your egg count, then place eggs on the tray with the pointed end down. Choose the hard setting or follow your machine guide, press start, and let the cooker run. Prepare an ice bath while eggs cook to stop the process immediately and make peeling much easier. Timing and water are the secrets to reliable results in an egg cooker. Always use the manufacturer marks to match water to the number of eggs. If your eggs are extra large or you live at high altitude, add a small amount of water or adjust the setting slightly for firmer yolks. After the cycle ends, immediately transfer eggs to an ice bath to halt cooking and make peeling effortless. Peeling can make or break your egg experience, so use a simple method. Tap the egg gently and roll it to form a network of small cracks, then peel under cool running water or while submerged in the ice bath to remove shells smoothly. Serve eggs warm or chilled, slice for salads, or mash with seasoning for quick snacks. Experiment with timing to find your perfect yolk texture and enjoy
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.